This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning Alarm System for transmitters across the states of Minnesota and Robloxia. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn. Only a test. This concludes the test of the alarm system are conducted by the National Weather Service. Severe weather is occurring or possible, the test is postponed until severe weather day. This concludes the test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Alarm System.